If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. There's nothing really too exciting to say about the Bitcoin chart. We're just waiting for this high to be broken for bullish continuation to those targets that we've previously mentioned before, up at 37, 40, 43 and 45k. Just to let you guys know that while above this golden pocket over here, which is about 28,100 to 29,200, your targets to the upside do remain valid. However, at the moment, what we're just simply waiting for is a break of 35.2k, this wick that we've set up here. We see that the highest body is also around this area. So we've made this box over here. It's quite interesting that this box, if I go further to the left, it is the CME gap. I'm not going to because the 4 hour takes such a long time. But this is the CME gap. After meeting it, we can see that we haven't really pushed through that area. We've set the highest wick. We've just been creating lower highs, but we've got the moving averages over here keeping us bullish. We know that if we just maintain above the 20, it means that the immediate short-term trend is higher. So hold the 20-day 4-hour moving average and break 35.2k, and we will get this continuation. If we do manage to lose the 20, we've also got some wicks down here, so we would need to see those being lost. So I'll just give you those price levels. So $33,260, $33,400. So that's that area. It's pretty much where the 55 is. It would essentially say that if we lose the 20, we'll be coming back down to test those wicks, where this is keeping you in this uptrend. So we're just looking to see if this 35.2k area breaks. If we then lose the 55 and those wicks, this is where we could start to see a deeper correction closer to I think 30.3k. Let's just double check that. Yeah, it is pretty much the one fib level here at 31,800 and 30,194, so 200. So that area over there is where we're coming down to. We can see that the 200 EMA is around that area of $3,200. So we'd be looking to find support between the 786 and the one fib level over here. This is what's technically keeping us bullish, and now this is above the golden pocket, which has kept these targets valid. So all we need to do is, even if we start to dump down right now, we just need to hold these key levels of support and eventually break higher. There's the risk of the dead cat bounce, which eventually sends us back down to this level over here. That would be if we get trapped below the one fib level at $31,800. And if you remember previously, we've spoken about that Wyckoff distribution path. Now, it is possible, as we have met a target and that had made a higher high over here, but there's a lot of work for that to be the case. Again, there is a CME gap down here, and previously looking at this Fibonacci, there's also a golden pocket slightly above that at 22 to 23k. So those are all points of support that need to be held in order to eventually climb back higher. That is how we actually got up to this 35k target over here. We were above this original golden pocket, and so essentially means that all 6 of these targets should be met, but we haven't met the 36k one. So that's why we could even dump down to those levels. You just need to maintain above the 0.5 Fibonacci, just the 0 Fibonacci here, and we will eventually get back up there. So we can tell that we're ranging between 19 and 35k, and our middle ground is about that 25k area of support. That if, as long as we're holding above the 0 Fib over here, and then catching support higher, then we will continue to these higher targets at 40, 44, 45k. I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think that we could still come crashing back down to this CME gap? I think that was a path that we were talking about last week, and made sure to keep that in the back of your minds, as I was saying last week. But for the moment, all you need to do is actually maintain this area to keep these targets valid, and a break of $35,200 would actually send us up towards these targets immediately. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share. And this is the last few days of my discount on my course. So take action before November the 1st using the links down below. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates. So you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.